Hey guys, today I am going to tell you a Scilab program and how to plot a two-dimensional graph. That means how to plot sine 2x or cos 3x plus 2 or simply sine x, and what are the necessary things, and how to draw a graph perfectly. And in details I will tell you. First of all, see here. Open the sine note. So this is the sine note, and you have to write first CLF, that means clear function. If there is any graph which you have done previously, then that graph automatically it will clear. Okay, so after that you should give the value of the independent variable x. X is equal to, put a bracket, and I am taking the dimensions from -10, then colon, then you should give the step length. I am taking 0.1, then colon, then 10. That means my value, I have given the value of x from -10 to +10 with step length 0.1. That means I have taken the difference between the intervals as 0.1. Clear? So now put a semicolon, then write y. Y is equal to, I am taking sine function. Sine x, simply I am taking sine x. So after that put a semicolon, then enter, then plot. You will simply write plot, then also you can it can be drawn, but I am taking plot today. It will be very better. A cool graph will be obtained, and put a bracket, then x, comma y. And now, very interesting thing I am going to tell you. Semicolon. Then put the title of the graph. If you want to put the title of the graph, then you have to write x title. Then put a bracket. Then double inverted comma. The graph of sine x. Okay, so now we will plot this graph. Simply copy this one and I am copying this one, and we have to paste this one in the console. I am clearing the console and simply paste the program in the console and press the enter key. Now see the graph. A cool graph is obtained. See here. And very, very interesting graph. I am magnifying this one. See how I am magnifying. You can magnify to both these sides also. See here. And I was taken from -10 to +10. See, it is from -10 to +10. And the meaning of x title is this one. See here. The graph of sine x. It will be written like this. And it is a cool thing. And this should be written, and it will become a very perfect. The graph will become a perfect one. The graph of sine x. And now, if you want to change the color of the graph or design of the graph, so how to do this one? See here, I am taking, see, again I am going to the sine note, and here very simple thing, I am just changing something. I have written plot to d x comma y, then comma, then put simply any positive integer. I am giving 2, simply 2, and again copy this one. Then I am clear console, then paste it, then enter the. See here, you are getting a blue color graph. Okay, that means 2 means blue color. Okay, so let us see another, let us change another thing. I am taking 5. So perhaps you will get the red color graph. Let us see. Clear console, then paste it here, then press the enter key. Then see here, you are getting a red color graph. Is not it a very cool graph you are getting? Now see, and another very interesting thing I am going to tell you. See here how I am getting this sine note. Some people may be thinking that from where I am taking the sine note. See here in the below there is a, see, just put the mouse here, then you will get this one, then click here. Okay. So now I have told you how I have done it. So now change this one as negative integer -2. I am taking -2. See here, I am copying this one and I am minimizing this one, and clear console, right click, then clear console, then paste it here, then press the enter key. See here how a cool graph you are getting. Is not it very interesting? See here another. I am again going to the sine note and I am changing the number. I am taking -3. So again copy this one and minimize this one, sine note, then right click, clear console, then paste it, then enter. See here, wow, very interesting, is not it? So in this way you can draw the graphs. That means if you want to change the color, then you should write plot to d x comma y comma positive integers 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on, and you can write it in your rough copy which number shows which color, and -2 -3 -1 -2 -3 negative integers. In that case also you can indicate it, -1 indicate this one, -2 indicate this one, -3 indicate this one. It will be better for you to remember what type of graph you want to draw. That means the design of the graph you can change, and the x title, always see here x title, the graph of sin x or graph of 2x plus 3, anything. And here x is equal to, I have taken -10 to +10 with difference 0.1. That means the length of the interval I have taken 0.1. You can take 1 also, anything you can take, but in the first you should write CLF, clear function. That means the previous graph automatically it will be clear. Otherwise after doing 3 to 4 programs it will be hanged, so that different results you will get. It may not respond perfectly, the software. So it will be better if you write CLF. Okay, so thank you. And if you want to know more about it, then please give a like button and give some comments in the comment box. Thank you.